Welcome to the Healthy Secrets channel. In our previous video, we talked about the hidden foods that can silently harm your testosterone levels and the warning signs when this vital hormone starts to decline. But today, let's flip the script, because it's time to focus on the positive side. In this video, you'll discover amazing foods from both animal and plant sources that naturally support testosterone production, helping you stay strong, full of energy, and balanced. These aren't just everyday foods, they're nature's secret weapons for men's health. Before we dive into all the exciting and valuable information, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos full of useful health tips. Top 7 animal-based foods. Animal-based foods that help boost testosterone mainly provide high-quality protein, zinc, vitamin D, healthy fats, and cholesterol, all essential for testosterone production. Below are the best animal-based foods to increase testosterone levels. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon and other fatty fish like mackerel and sardines are nutrient-dense foods that offer exceptional benefits for men's health. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and selenium, key nutrients that help reduce inflammation and naturally support increased testosterone levels. For best results, fatty fish should be included in the diet about 2 to 3 times per week using healthy cooking methods such as grilling, steaming, or light lemon-based sauces. Deep-fried dishes should be limited to preserve the nutritional value and avoid negative effects on health. Number 2. Clams. Clams are nutrient-rich seafood, exceptionally high in zinc, a key mineral in testosterone production and essential for maintaining male sexual health. In addition, these shellfish provide high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin B12, which support cardiovascular, brain, and immune function, contributing to overall wellness. However, consuming clams in moderation is essential to avoid the risk of heavy metal toxicity or excessive zinc intake. Additionally, choosing clean, high-quality seafood and preparing it properly is crucial to minimize the risk of bacterial contamination and ensure food safety. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritious food, particularly rich in protein and vitamin D, which help the body naturally produce testosterone. The yolk also provides a significant amount of cholesterol, vital as a precursor in synthesizing this hormone. To optimize testosterone enhancement, consuming whole eggs rather than just egg whites is recommended to benefit fully from their valuable nutrients. Additionally, eggs should be paired with fiber-rich foods and green vegetables to maintain nutritional balance. However, it is essential to moderate the intake according to the body's needs to ensure optimal health. Number 4. Tuna. Tuna is a rich source of nutrients, exceptionally high in vitamin D, which helps the body produce testosterone more effectively. Additionally, tuna provides a lot of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, supporting muscle growth and improving cardiovascular health. To optimize tuna's testosterone-boosting benefits, choose fresh or canned tuna and water and avoid oil-packed varieties that may contain unhealthy fats. Consuming tuna about 2 to 3 times per week is recommended to maximize its benefits while minimizing the risk of mercury exposure. In addition, combining tuna with green vegetables and zinc-rich foods such as oysters, eggs, or almonds can enhance the body's ability to synthesize testosterone more effectively, bringing maximum benefits for physical and sexual health. Number 5. Oyster. Oysters are among the top foods for enhancing male sexual health, especially notable for their exceptionally high zinc content, an essential mineral that strongly stimulates testosterone production. Additionally, oysters provide selenium, copper, and vitamin B12, important micronutrients that support sexual function and help maintain reproductive health. To keep the diet varied, oysters should be eaten 2 to 3 times per week, with dishes such as steamed oysters, grilled oysters with scallion oil, or oyster salad. However, they should not be consumed in excessive amounts in a single day, as the high zinc content may lead to an overdose, causing nausea, stomach pain, and digestive issues. Number 6. Red meat. Red meat is a rich source of protein, vitamin D, and zinc, key nutrients that support the body's effective testosterone production. Additionally, red meat provides healthy saturated fats that help maintain stable hormone levels. However, to ensure overall health benefits, red meat should be consumed in moderation to avoid potential cardiovascular issues. To optimize the benefits of red meat for testosterone, it's best to choose lean cuts such as beef, lamb, or lean pork and limit the consumption of fatty portions high in saturated fat. It is recommended to include red meat in about 2 to 3 meals per week, paired with green vegetables, to maintain nutritional balance and support digestion. In addition, it's important to avoid overcooking meat until it's charred, as well as processed meats like sausages, deli meats, or bacon, since they may contain preservatives and harmful compounds that can negatively affect health. Number 7. Sea crab. Sea crab is a highly nutritious food, particularly beneficial for supporting male health. With its high zinc content, crab is an essential mineral source that stimulates testosterone production, a key hormone influencing sexual function and muscle strength. Additionally, crab provides a high-quality source of lean protein, which helps maintain muscle mass and hormonal balance. It is recommended to eat sea crab about 2 to 3 times per week, using healthy cooking methods such as steaming or boiling to preserve its nutrients. Fried or heavily salted dishes should be limited to avoid excessive intake of sodium and unnecessary fats. Top 10 natural plant-based foods. Although many testosterone-boosting foods are animal-based, some plant-based foods can also help naturally stimulate the production of this hormone. Below are the best plant-based foods that help increase testosterone levels. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritious food rich in zinc, magnesium, and tryptophan, essential nutrients that support testosterone production and help regulate sleep. Additionally, pumpkin seeds possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, contributing to overall health. You can enjoy pumpkin seeds by eating a small handful, about 20-30 g, each day as a healthy snack, or sprinkle them over salads, porridge, oats, or yogurt to enhance your meal's flavor and nutritional value. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables contain indole-3 carbinol, a compound that helps reduce estrogen levels in the body, allowing testosterone to function more effectively. In addition, green vegetables like broccoli are rich in magnesium, a vital mineral that supports natural testosterone production and also promotes muscle and cardiovascular health. Green cruciferous vegetables can be prepared by boiling, stir-frying, juicing, or blending into smoothies to maximize their nutritional benefits. Including these vegetables in your daily meals can help maintain hormonal balance. Number 3. Red onion. Red onions are an everyday kitchen staple and offer remarkable health benefits. They help improve blood circulation, enhance male vitality, and stimulate Leydig cells to produce testosterone, a key factor in maintaining healthy male hormone levels. Moreover, red onions are rich in quercetin and allicin, two powerful antioxidants that help protect the body from free radical damage. You can use raw red onions, thinly sliced, in salads, or cook them by simmering, roasting, or stir-frying with beef or eggs to enhance both the flavor and nutritional benefits. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is a familiar food with outstanding benefits for male sexual health. It contains allicin, a compound that helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone, thereby creating favorable conditions for testosterone to function more effectively. Additionally, garlic is rich in antioxidants that help protect Leydig cells in the testes, where testosterone is produced, and possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. To maximize the effects of allicin, it's best to finely chop raw garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before using. Each day, you can consume 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, eaten raw, mixed into salads, or lightly cooked to enhance flavor while preserving its nutritional value. Number 5. Oatmeal porridge. Oatmeal porridge is an excellent choice for a healthy breakfast and supports testosterone production and function. Oats are rich in B vitamins, which help reduce estrogen levels in the body, allowing testosterone to work more effectively. In addition, oats provide complex carbohydrates, a sustainable energy source that supports physical activity and helps maintain hormonal balance. To boost its testosterone-supporting effects, you can enjoy oatmeal with plant-based milk or dairy milk, pumpkin seeds, and fruits like bananas or blueberries, delicious and packed with essential nutrients for men's health. Number 6. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-rich leafy green, especially beneficial for men looking to boost their testosterone levels naturally. It provides magnesium, vitamin B6, and iron, key nutrients that support the body's testosterone production. Additionally, spinach may help reduce estrogen levels, promote hormonal balance, and optimize male hormonal health. For best results, you can enjoy spinach raw in salads, lightly steamed, sautéed, or blended into smoothies. It's recommended to consume about 1 to 2 cups of spinach per day, or at least several times a week to maintain its benefits. Number 7. Chives. Chives have long been referred to in traditional medicine as a natural energy-boosting herb, thanks to their ability to stimulate libido and support the natural production of testosterone. This herb is rich in vitamins A and C, zinc, and fiber, and also provides allicin, a compound that helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone known to suppress testosterone activity. Chives also contain flavonoids and saponins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support overall health. You can cook chives by stir-frying them with eggs or beef, or making soup with shrimp, all delicious and nutritious options. It's recommended to consume them 2 to 3 times per week, especially for middle-aged men looking to maintain vitality and hormonal balance. Number 8. Onion. Onion is a familiar ingredient in daily meals, yet it offers remarkable benefits for men's sexual health. Onions can stimulate Leydig cells in the testes, the very cells responsible for producing testosterone, thereby supporting natural hormonal balance in men. Additionally, onions contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the testes from damage caused by free radicals. You can enjoy onions in various ways, such as eating them raw in salads, roasting, or stir-frying with eggs and beef to enhance both flavor and effectiveness. It's recommended to include onions in your diet about 2 to 3 times per week to maintain their long-term benefits. Number 9. Parsley. Parsley is not just an aromatic herb that enhances flavor. It's also considered a natural remedy that supports testosterone production. One of its key compounds is apigenin, a plant-based compound known to stimulate testosterone synthesis in the body. Additionally, parsley is rich in vitamins K, C, and A and flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that help protect the testes and hormonal health. Fresh parsley can be used in salads, juices, or as a garnish for dishes. When juicing, it's best to combine parsley with cucumber, apple, or lemon to enhance both the flavor and the effectiveness. Number 10. Celery. Celery is a highly nutritious vegetable, especially beneficial for men due to its ability to support testosterone production. It contains androstenedione, a natural compound that may stimulate the body to increase testosterone levels naturally. In addition, celery is rich in vitamin K and potassium, which help support cardiovascular health and regulate the endocrine system. You can drink celery juice in the morning, eat it raw in salads, cook it lightly in soups with minced meat, or stir-fry it to enhance the flavor and easily incorporate it into your daily diet. Remember, boosting testosterone isn't about quick fixes. It's about making smart, sustainable choices. Incorporate these foods into your meals regularly, rotate them throughout the week, and always prioritize fresh, balanced ingredients. From healthy fats in eggs and fish to powerful antioxidants in leafy greens and seeds, each type of food plays its own role in naturally supporting hormone levels. Don't wait until symptoms show up. Start nourishing your body now, and your testosterone will thank you later. Thank you for watching the video on the Healthy Secrets channel. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. If you're experiencing any issues or have concerns about your health, feel free to leave a comment below. And finally, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any important health updates that we regularly post on this YouTube channel.